Nothing is more frustrating than when your weave is screaming India and your leave out is screaming Zimbabwe. Ha! It is extremely frustrating. Hey guys, the girl Kinky and welcome back to my channel. You already know this channel is here to help you grow a healthy and long natural hair. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So on today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys what you should know before you get your first sew in. Now I've gotten a lot of questions about people that want to get their sew in, people that want to get weave that they can wear on their natural hair. You know, weave is a kind of protective style that you can use to protect your hair. That's your natural hair. So I'm going to be telling you guys what you should know before getting your first sew in. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you need to do before you get your first sew in is get a weave that makes sense. Now what does that mean? It means you doing a research on good and quality weaves. Now you don't just go to Instagram just because a hair has the most likes. You think that is the best of the best hair. You might get that weave and at the end of the day it is not the quality one. So make sure you're getting a weave that makes sense. Okay, make sure you also get a weave that suits your lifestyle. Okay, for example, if you're a person that works out often, you don't need a weave with a leave out. Okay, because when you leave out your hair and you sweat a lot, you know, when you work out you sweat a lot, your hair reverts back to its original form. So at the end of the day, you're stressing yourself, making your hair stretch again to the weave and all that. So instead, you should get a weave with a curly texture. At least you'll be able to manipulate it every day. It will save you time and all of the stress of making your hair fit the weave again. So make sure you check out the weave first before getting it. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is stay the hell away from bonded weaves. Seriously, I hate bonded weaves. You know that bonded weaves has to do with bonded glue. Okay, you need bonding glue to attach the extension to your scalp, and you know what they do? They actually suffocate your scalp and prevent them from breathing properly. Okay, because your scalp breathes. Okay, so and thereby causing breakage from the root of your hair. You wouldn't want that. I know you wouldn't want that. So make sure you stay away from bonded weaves. They are very dangerous. Like seriously, they will not look good on you. You don't want to lose your natural hair, so stay away from bonded weaves. Okay, so that brings me to the third thing you need to do before you get your sew in. So the third thing you need to do is make sure you care for your natural hair before you attach any extension to your hair. Now before you get that weave or sew in into your hair, you need to deep condition your hair, you need to moisturize, you need to look after your hair. Like take care of your hair first before you sew in any weave. Okay, so make sure you care for your natural hair. It is very important because at the end of the day, if you don't, you might incur breakage to your natural hair, so which is not the point you actually need. Okay, so make sure you are moisturizing your hair, make sure you care for your hair before you get that sew in. So the fourth thing you need to know before you get your first sew in is it is okay to combine textures. Now nothing is more frustrating than when your weave is screaming India and your leave out is screaming Zimbabwe. Ha! It is extremely frustrating. If you know that your hair has a certain texture, what makes you think that you can actually blend it with a complete opposite texture? Now all you need to do is buy a weave that suits, that looks like your natural hair. Okay, so that when you put it in, it can actually blend. Nobody knows the difference between your hair and the weave. Okay, and if you know that your natural hair has is in between two textures of two different weaves, okay, there's nothing wrong in you trying to practice mixing them together with your natural hair. It's okay to combine textures. Okay, so the fifth thing you need to know before getting your first sew in is use the right product. Okay, so you guys know that some of these extensions have gone through a lot of processes before even packaged and shipped down to you. So, and as beautiful as your natural hair, you cannot use the same product you're using for your natural hair for your weaves. Okay, All you need to do is contact your stylist, or even so read the packaging. Okay, there must be products that are specified to be used on those extensions, so make sure you use those products to be able to maintain your weaves, so that you won't have to waste your money and your time. Okay, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, give it a big thumbs up and share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.